Hello dear students, I would like to welcome you all on the online platform of KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, that is KTHM College, Nashik. I hope that you all are safe and secure during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. I am Dr. Bharati Rajebhosale, working as an assistant professor in Department of English. Today, in this lecture, I am going to introduce you TYBA Functional English Paper 5, that is Introduction to Print Media and Writing for Mass Media and Key Competency Modules. I would like to focus on first term syllabus and the paper pattern of term end examination. First of all, I would like to focus on the objectives of this paper. The objectives are acquainting students to new career options and equipping them to be prepared for the same. The next objective is preparing students for various careers in language like translation, technical writing for mass media, advertising and freelancing. And the next objective is creating awareness about language change from one media to the other. Fourth one, encouraging students to observe, compare and analyze the language activities of media through exposure. And the last objective is proving them with basic data required for skills like translation, especially related to media. Now let's see the course content of term first. The first topic is writing news. It contains various subtopics. The first one is elements of news. In it we are going to discuss headline, intro, dateline, lead, main body, etc. After that, we will study characteristics of news, that is clarity, precision, simplicity, objectivity, credibility, authenticity, etc. The next content is types of news. We know that newspaper consists of various types of news. We will study various types of news like political, commercial, sports, social, cultural, local, regional, international, etc. The next subtopic is related with the language. Here we will compare various news appearing in different newspapers with special reference to language. Then we will study how to compare news items appearing in print and electronic media with special reference to language. Then we will study how to compare news items appearing in print and electronic media. Definitely our focus is language. In the next subtopic, we will discuss difference between writing for newspaper and radio and TV with special reference to language. After that, we are going to discuss second main topic, that is letters to editors expressing views on given data. In it, we will study letters to editors and their relevance for the newspaper, for the writer and for the society. Structure of letters to editors. The second topic is the structure of letters to editors. We will focus on structure of letters to editors. The structure consists of salutation, reference and date of the news item, consistent and logical expression of opinion, appropriate and effective use of language, precision. The next topic is changing verbal aspect of an advertisement. In this topic, we are going to study how to use language for the effective use for changing verbal aspect of advertisement. So use of effective, precise and catchy language, and the second one is innovativeness. The third element in this topic is difference between advertisement in print form and in electronic media from language point of view. After that, the topic number 4, A. Writing book reviews. In it, we are going to study nature of a book review. After that, characteristics and purpose of a book review. The third one is review and critical analysis. The second part, or we can say B, is key competency modules. In it, our focus will be on stress, time and conflict management, introduction to right to information, and creative thinking. After that, the most important part of our TYBA paper, that is evaluation pattern, we are going to focus on it. Internal assessment, it will be for 20 marks. Annual exam, it will be conducted for 80 marks. For internal assessment term work, A, total marks 20. In it, students will collect book reviews and film reviews, at least one each, from news, papers, magazines, and will write comments on them from the point of view of the language and content. The second assessment will be, students will collect at least 5 different types of advertisements in print and will write comments on the effectiveness of language. The third one is, students will write at least one article or feature on any topic of interest, at least 2 drafts each, and it will carry 10 marks. After that, attendance, regularity and participation in departmental activities will be considered, and it will carry 10 marks. Marks of 1 to 4 above will be reduced to 20. All the above will be produced at the time of the practical examination of paper 6. After that, term end examination. We know that this term end examination, it will be conducted for 60 marks, and we know that how 60 marks it will be converted or reduced to 20 marks. So total of A and B to be reduced to 20 marks. So we are going to focus on paper pattern. Question number 1, writing a letter to the editor based on given data. This question, it will carry 10 marks. After that, question number 2, writing a book review, it will also carry 10 marks. Next, changing the verbal aspect of a given advertisement, it is also for 10 marks. After that, question number 4, changing the verbal aspect of news from prints so as to suit audio-visual media. This question, it will also carry 10 marks. Question number 5, A, short notes, short answer questions on topic first. You have to solve 2 questions out of 4, and this question, it will carry 10 marks. After that, question number 5B, writing news based on given data. So for this syllabus, there are certain reference books recommended, and the list is given here. So you have to follow all these books, that is the Structure of Technical English by A.J. Herbert, News Writing and Reporting for Today's Media by Bruce, and Introduction to Journalism by Carol Fleming, Mass Communication in India by Keval Kumar. After that, Television News, Writing and Reading by H.H. Mustafa Zaidi. After that, The Cinema as Art, Ralph Stevenson, Jindib. How films are made by Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Vyavaharik Marathi, it is published by University of Pune. Vyavaharik Marathi, Phadke Prakashan, Kolhapur. So all these are reference books which you have to follow for this paper this year. Thank you.